guys, I want to share a quick baking tip with you today. This is something that is really useful to know when you haven't planned ahead. Most recipes, when you're baking cookies or cakes, call for softened butter or room temperature butter. So I just took my butter out of the refrigerator, but I really want to make cookies this afternoon, and it won't be softened in time if I just leave it out on the counter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to measure out the amount of butter that I need. I think I need half a cup. So I'm going to cut off half a cup, put it on my cutting board, and I'm going to cut it into pieces. And then I have boiled some water in a kettle here next to me, and cut this up a little bit more. Okay, there we go. I did wash my hands before doing this, by the way, just so you know. Okay, I have a big mug. You could use a measuring cup or a big bowl, and I'm filling it up with my boiling water. And let it just sit in there for a moment. Get the cup really nice and warm, and then pour it out. I'm gonna put it over top of my butter and leave it for about 5 minutes. When I come back, my butter will be soft and perfect for creaming into sugar. It's really important to use softened butter when a recipe calls for it, so that your sugar incorporates nicely. Otherwise, your final texture for your cookies or cake is not going to be as nice. So, your tip of the day.